Hello, hello, and welcome, Anna, the Adventure Seeker. I am so delighted to meet you. I'm Dr. Minette Riordan. I am the founder of Mindful Patterns, the designer of the Creative Superpower quiz, and I am all about making the journey to self discovery and personal growth more fun and more creative, which is something that you, Anna, really excel at. Is play. You love adventure. You love the thrill of the unknown. You are a natural seeker of experiences, and your creativity is inspired by these external adventures that you go on. So, your superpower is thrill seeking. It's that ability to inspire others to follow you anywhere and try new things and stretch beyond their comfort zones. But your creative superpower can also be your kryptonite because sometimes, Anna, we need to remember to just pause, take a deep breath, and stand still for a minute, whether you're standing still in the middle of the desert or standing still in your living room, and look at what you have learned from all these different amazing experiences. And what are some of the threads that tie your life experiences together? Because that's where you're going to find the clues to your next creative focus, to your most important purpose. So sometimes, as Annas, we can be so involved in the adventure seeking that it becomes about the adventure and we lose sight of who we are and what our current purpose is. So I want to really encourage you as you read through all of the information on the page about who Anna is and what her gifts and dreams are and what some of her concerns are, that you think about what adventures you've been on recently. How have they inspired you? What have you learned from them? But also, where do you need to stand still for a minute and maybe do some journaling or some deep inner reflection and start to pull some of the threads together so you feel like you have a little more clarity on your next adventure, your next steps, that adventure has meaning, it brings fulfillment to your life, but it also helps you live out your creative purpose and your creative destiny. I can't wait to get to know more about you as an Anna. And I'd love to hear, what do you think about being an Anna and what's been your most recent adventure? I look forward to learning more. I will see you soon. Bye bye.